good over here. How about you guys?
It looks good from where I'm at.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going down. Oh, it's like a little bit. It's catching right here. I don't even know how to fix that.
You'll have to pull it back a little bit, I think. Lift or.
So is it the right stick?
Can you twist it like this?
Oh, the thumb again, right?
Is it right
I don't
thumb?
know. Yeah, thumb.
Is it?
It's doing it, but it's already down, so it's not twisting. The block's got pressure pushing it down, so the arm is twisting, but the block's not.
Now go to the right.
Left?
Yeah. Now down.
Perfect. Now down.
Now down.
Yeah, it should be good.
Like that right there, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Good. Beautiful.
Now open it.
Left, underneath, on the left.
How do you guys remember that? I have to be in it to do it.
I don't know. When I'm in it, I forget. Like, it's like I completely forget. But outside of it, I can remember exactly what to do. I don't know. It's weird.
I'm the opposite.
Because I was able to direct karate the whole time. When I got into that, it's like I forgot what everything was.
If you do it too fast, you're going to knock them all off. Yeah, there you go.
All the way. Keep going. Open. Keep opening.
Open more.
Ronnie was worried that if she opens it, she's going to push this one off.
Oh, okay.
Good. Now bring it all up.
And she can close it and push. She can close it and push it in.
Okay. So yeah, stop. You want to push it in a little bit. So bring the claw closer to you. Oh, close it. Close your claw. Yeah. And then you want to try to push it in a little
Perfect.
bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That's good. Now you want to try to use the claw to push it forward.
Like you're punching it.
Can you see? Yeah, yeah. So bring it in and then kind of nudge it out a little bit.
This is fun.
Yeah. You're good.
I wish it was warmer.
No, it needs to be lower.
Now go forward.
Now move it forward.
Yeah.
Oh, watch it. Rico! Whoa. Rico, come here. Come here, Rico. Come here. What are you doing, little boy?
What's Cece doing? She was up in the pile of dirt.
What are you doing, little boy?
Cece!
Get out of here! Jesus. Yeah. Yeah. So I think that's good, and then move it forward. Yeah. Yeah. I'll try to guide you.
Rico, come here.
It needs to be lower.
Rico.
Watch out for Rico. There you go.
Now just go forward. And low.
Yeah, you got it.
Perfect. Barely touch
A little bit lower.
You got it.
Lower. And then push forward.
I didn't think she's gonna be able to stack it on there.
You didn't think so?
Not between the two. I thought maybe it made easier to just have her stack it on top of the.
She got it though.
Yeah.
More satisfying, I think.
Bingo. Yep.
Nice.
Perfect.
Stop.
Okay, now go back.
Beautiful.
Good job. It's cold.
I know, I'm ready to go.
Set it down. Perfect.
Now.
Good job.
Thank you.
Don't you want that down?
Oh yeah. Hey, honey, bring that thing down too.
Oh, okay. Is that a good spot right here? You want me to
Put this down first.
put that down first? Okay. How do you do that?
The little joystick all the way on the top.
Is it down all the way now? Is that good?
A little more until
There's
you
two
feel.
joysticks on the right.
Until you feel a little bit. Okay, Perfect. Perfect. That way that's perfect.
Okay, so do I have to keep going with that? Or which way?
No,
Just
you're
like
fine.
this?
Just get push.
Okay, I'm gonna like that. Oh, the other way. Like this, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right there. Now bring it down. All right. More. Yep.
One more.
Until you touch it. Keep going. Until you touch the dirt. Right there.
Nice. Do it. Yay! Yeah! It's not
Well.
moving over.
Who probably came close to winning? You think?
I don't know. I think we all sucked pretty evenly. Okay.
I will say I was the only one who got 2 bricks though to stay.
I thought I had 2 bricks.
When
You
did
got
you
it off?
Then I knocked it off. Remember, I had it staying and then I smacked it.
Oh yeah.
Yours, you
I
set
did
it
not.
down and it fell.
Yeah, I
Ooh,
probably
I
didn't
just
do
want to join in the group for a little bit. You did good. So everybody have a fun. You did good. Thank you.
We're all
And
gonna
you guys
practice
did the
because
same thing
when we go
too.
to Hawaii, we're gonna need some. Right,
Cool
Rico?
thing.
Ready? That's cool. That's cool.
That's cool. You're gonna go
Get
in,
some good practice out of it.
turn up.
What time you plan on leaving?
I don't know, 8.